Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a video. It's called the Squishies Tag. I don't know who started with this tag anyway. So I've got all my squishies here. I shifted to another basket because I'm having more and more squishies. Let me get to the questions. Oh yeah, the questions in this one. Sorry, my friend is texting me. So this is a question. There are 13 questions. So I'm gonna copy it from her. So yeah, but for starting from maybe tomorrow till 21st March, I might not be free because my cousins are coming over from overseas and I may not be making videos. So yeah. So yeah, the first question is most realistic and unrealistic fruit squishy. Most realistic fruit squishy would be okay, this will be my most realistic. I know some toes doesn't have because mud on it, and when you look behind it looks like real toes. Yeah, it's really squishy. The most unrealistic is yeah. This? Yeah, it's this because I've never seen anything like this before. So yeah, second question is favorite cracking squishy. I have two cracking squishy ones, a holding one and one's a like I bought it. So it's in this Ziploc bag. This is my favorite cracking squishy. Is this Hello Kitty reproduced Happy Pow Pow mascot chocolate cracking squishy. I cracked it too much, so I have to paste it. So now I'm more careful. So yeah, this is my favorite cracking squishy, but it gets defective really easily. The third question is most rare squishy. I don't really know. I think this is my most rare squishy. I don't know which squishy in my collection is rare, but I think this is rare, so I'm gonna pick this. This was $1. So yeah. Because in question number 3 is most rare squishy and how much was it? So question number 4, favorite character squishy. That will be the Rikakuma again. Next, most unique squishy. Most unique squishy will be this toast again because I really like it. I think it's really unique. Favorite unlicensed squishy. Unlicensed squishy. That will be this. This isn't licensed when I got it, so I think it's not licensed. So this is my favorite unlicensed squishy. It's kind of dense though, but really squishy. Number 7 is favorite center and worst centered squishy. Worst centered will be Yuck. But that's a homemade one. So not gonna choose that. Okay, my favorite center squishy is this. Oh my god. Ayo. This is my favorite center squishy. Super squishy. Smells so nice. The worst center I think is this. Yeah, this is the worst center. It smells like soap, but it's really, really squishy. Favorite squeeze toy? I don't have a squeeze toy, so I'm gonna leave question 8. Question 9 is squishy with the most unique packaging. Squishy with most unique packaging will be my Bredo cake roll. So, yep. Number 10 is Squishies Squishy Harder Squishy. That Squishies Squishy will be this pink Bredo. Oops, it fell off. Okay, the most hard squishy will be this. And then the most squishy will be this. Super squishy. And this is one of my first squishies. So now on to question 11. Most fun to squish. Most fun to squish. Most fun to squish will be this non-reproduced Hello Kitty Nick, I think. Nick strawberry squishy. Super soft and fun to squish. Question 12 is largest squishy, smallest squishy. The largest one I have will be, where is it? Will be of course my jumbo panda bun, which I'm now finding it. Wait, I think it's somewhere in there. OMG, I put it in the freezer. The reason why it's red is because there was a little stain here and I didn't like it. So my mom painted all red and all the stickers came off. So my mom used a permanent marker and drew a face on it. Wow, now it's super hard and if you squish it, it's super squishy. So now I don't need to worry about the skin or whatever because it won't come out. It's permanent marker. So I love it! OMG, super squish. Squish! Squish! OMG. Oh, my mom gave me a Ziploc bag. Ah, come back. Yep. And she used lipstick and she put it in the freezer to make it dry and it really works. So there are a few patches here, but it's okay. My biggest squishy, smallest one will be my little melon bun. So let me put this in. So next is number 13 is family members' favorite squishy. Okay, my mom's favorite squishy will be this jumbo panda bun. Oh no, is it? So I asked my mom quietly that this was her favorite. Whoa. So she liked this the most. My dad isn't here in Singapore, so I don't know which does she like. So this is the end of the tag. Hope you like this video. Bye. Please subscribe.